So interesting electric scooter, isinwheel GT1. Interesting things that I found during the tests are that by default the cruise control is turned on. So if you hold the throttle switch for a few seconds, you can release it and it will still go with set speed. So you don't have to hold it all the time. You can release it. But you can also in the settings disable cruise control. So then you have to always hold this throttle switch. And this throttle switch is a binary one, not an analog. So you can hold it or release it. You are speeding up or slowing down. And everything was working really well on the tests. As you could see in the forest on a bumpy road, it was not a problem to ride it. It has a lot of power, so power is not a problem. And you could select the speed that you want to ride with. And you can hold the throttle switch or hold it for a while and turn on the cruise control. And you are just riding with the selected speed until you press the brakes or you press again the throttle switch. Then the cruise control turns off. So a good, powerful electric scooter. You can find more information about it in the links in the description. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.